In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile picture to your Trello account. A clear profile photo helps teammates recognize you at a glance and keeps your boards organized, especially when you're collaborating across multiple projects. Trello uses your Atlassian account for profile details, so once you set it here, it updates across Trello and other Atlassian products you might use. Start by heading to Trello.com and signing into your account. Use your usual login method, and once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click your profile icon there. In the menu that opens, choose Manage Account. This will take you to your Atlassian account settings, sometimes in a new tab. On the left-hand side of the account settings, select Profile and Visibility. This section controls what people can see about you across Atlassian tools, and it's exactly where your profile picture lives. On the Profile and Visibility page, find the Profile Picture area. If you don't have one yet, you'll see a placeholder. If you already have one, you'll see your current image. Click on the Profile Picture area, then choose Add Profile Photo. Next, select Upload a Photo. Your file picker will appear so you can choose an image from your computer. Pick a clear, well-lit headshot if possible. Simple backgrounds work best, and a square or nearly square image saves time when adjusting. Common formats like JPG and PNG are perfect, and keeping the file reasonably sized helps it upload quickly. After you select your picture, click Open. Trello will upload the file, and you may see options to adjust or crop the image so it fits nicely in the circular frame. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. When the upload completes, your new profile picture is saved to your Atlassian account. Back in Trello, you should see your updated photo in the top right corner and on boards next to your cards and comments. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment, refresh the page, or reopen Trello. Because the picture is tied to your Atlassian account, it also carries over to the Trello mobile app and any other Atlassian tools you use with the same login. A few quick tips. Choose a photo that's recognizable at small sizes, avoid busy backgrounds, and make sure your face is centered. If your organization uses specific branding or privacy rules, pick an image that matches those guidelines. That's all it takes to add a profile picture and make your Trello presence clear and professional.